Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please consider subscribing and connect with me. In today's video, I will be showing you how I clean and cut my whole chicken. I like buying my whole chicken from Costco because I think it is cheaper and fresh looking. From a fresh whole chicken, I can get all the different parts that I want, especially the breast. As you can see, I'm carefully washing and making sure to get rid of all those thin layers of skin tissues on the chicken. Now that I am done with cleaning my chicken, it is time to start cutting it up. Make sure you cut at every joint. For the arm, you make sure you start cutting from under like that. If you prefer your chicken butt to stay on like I do, make sure you cut out that pointed part on top of the chicken butt. To cut your chicken thighs, you start from inside to find the joint easily. Now separate the thigh from the drumstick. Yes, that's where the joint is, right there. Now you cut out the lower backbone. That's fat and hanging skin. You can cut them off if you want. Now you can separate the upper backbones from the ribs cage. To get your chicken breast, you have to remove the chicken skin from over the breast area. Clean out all those hanging fats and unwanted skin tissues from around your chicken breast area. So in the middle there is a bone separating the two breasts. You want to slice through both sides of that bone to separate the breast from the rib cage. I'm going to repeat this process with the second chicken, so I advise you stay tuned to see the end product of the entire process. Now clean your chicken breast good and make sure there is no bone or fat, whatever, left in your chicken breast. Get it all out. As you can see, I have 4 healthy size chicken breasts that I can use to cook pasta, stir fry, and any easy meal. And it is also going to last me for 2 meal preparations. I also have 4 drumsticks, 4 thighs, and 4 wings that I can use for fried chicken and french fries, chicken barbecue, and so on. Then with the rib cage and the backbone, I can use those to make my Liberian pepper soup. So that was it for today. If you find this video helpful, then like, comment, and share. Please consider subscribing to this channel and help me grow.